Hi guys, Akash here, and today's dinner is sorted because I am going to show you how to make a chicken meatballs with white bean stew. It's gonna be super comforting, delicious and easier than you think. We'll start making the meatballs first. So basically we're gonna put all the ingredients in a bowl and then we're gonna stir it together. For that, we'll start with slicing one onion. So I have sliced one full red onion because I'm going to use half of it for meatballs and half I'm going to use it for our bean stew. We'll cut one medium-sized carrot. We'll dice one medium-sized tomato. So I have got two pans here. So in one pan, I'm gonna saute our onions for our chicken meatballs. And in the another one, we're gonna saute carrot, onion and tomato for our stew. So half of onion. We'll continue to stir the onions to get a nice caramelized color. And now I'm gonna add my carrots on this sliced onions here. So the onion for our chicken meatballs is done. So we'll take it out in a bowl and we'll make a fine paste. Now we'll add diced tomatoes. We'll cook it till it's soft and then we'll make a blend. So now we'll make our chicken meatballs. So for that we'll start with some salt to taste. 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Half a teaspoon of oregano. 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, some cracked black pepper, onion paste. So this is the onion paste we just sauteed and made a blend, and now we'll give a quick mix. So now I'm gonna add some breadcrumbs for binding. If you want, you can add gluten-free flour or chickpea flour. So the main purpose is binding. So we'll take some water in our hand and we'll make our small chicken balls. So our chicken balls is ready and it's very soft and delicate. So I'm gonna keep in a refrigerator for 10 to 15 minutes and then we'll fry it. And in the meantime, we're gonna make our bean stew. For white bean stew, we're gonna start with some olive oil. And now I'm gonna put our washed canned beans. We'll add some salt, some cracked black pepper. And now we'll add our carrot, onion and tomato paste. I had added some water and we'll cook it for 5 to 6 minutes. And then it's gonna be ready. Our white bean stew is ready, and now we'll finish this off with some grated Parmesan cheese. We'll fry our chicken meatballs. So chicken meatballs is ready, our first batch. We'll take this out. We got a nice crispy crust. So guys, finally our chicken meatballs and stew is ready and I'm gonna plate it real quick and gonna eat it. So here is our white bean stew in the middle. And we'll finish this off with some fried rice noodles. So guys, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. So please do like, share, subscribe and comment for more upcoming recipes. Thank you.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free.